Pag-asa weather forecaster Veronica Torres is now on the line. Good morning.
Good morning din po sa inyo, pati na rin sa ating mga viewers. Sa kasalukuyan nga po ay Intertropical Convergence Zone or ITCZ nakaapekto sa Mindanao, while shear line affecting the eastern sections of central and southern Luzon. Northeast monsoon still affecting northern Luzon. For Bicol region, Marinduque, Romblon, Oriental Mindoro, Batangas, Laguna, Rizal, Quezon, and Aurora, we're expecting cloudy skies with scattered rains and isolated thunderstorms due to shear line. And ITCZ will bring cloudy skies with scattered rains and isolated thunderstorms over Visayas, Mindanao, and Palawan, while northeast monsoon will bring cloudy skies with rains over Cagayan Valley and Cordillera Administrative Region. Better weather is expected over Ilocos region and the rest of central Luzon, although there will be chances of light rains, and over Metro Manila and the rest of Luzon, we're expecting also better weather conditions with chances of localized thunderstorms.
Go ahead.
We also have a gale warning raised over the seaboards of northern Luzon and eastern seaboard of central Luzon. So sea travel is risky for small sea vessels po.
Alright, since December na, no, ilan pa bang bagyong natitira and ilan pa ang sa tingin nyo na possible na pumasok pa bago matapos ng taon?
Opo, so for December, based sa assessment na ating mga kasamang climatologists, posible isa o dalawang bagyo ang papasok or mabubuo sa ating PAR. Pero sa ating current monitoring, wala pa naman tayo na monitor na LPA or bagyo sa loob or malapit sa ating PAR.
Thank you, diba? Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
So, based po dun sa inyong explanation kanina, the rains that we experienced over the weekend was brought about by ITZZ, shear line at saka amihan. Tama po?
Tama po.
Okay, so hanggang kailan po natin ito mararamdaman?
Inaasahan natin na yung maulang panahon caused by several other weather systems kung sa shear line, possible hanggang Thursday, December 12. Pero yung ITCZ, although possible magka-break bukas, pero around Wednesday, posible magtuloy-tuloy pa rin ulit yung mga pag-ulan.
Yung mga pag-ulan na po na mararanasan na po yan gaano po kalakas?
So usually, moderate, light to moderate with at times heavy. Pero kapag meron na tayong weather advisory, kapag kasali na, usually mga light, pwedeng moderate to heavy, heavy to intense, at intense to torrential. Pero sa ngayon naman, more on moderate to heavy yung mga ulan natin eh.
Okay, yung kasi, ang tanong ng marami, safe na ba maglabas ng manipis na sweater itong last few weeks ng December?
Opo, sa ngayon naman po ay pwede pa naman na tayong magsuot ng mga malalamig mga pang malamig nating mga jacket, although may mga chance kasi na posible maging maalinsangan din yung panahon kapag medyo humihina yung epekto ng amihan sa atin.
How about yung mga areas like Baguio City, Tagaytay, sa Rizal? Kamusta naman? Lumalamig naman doon?
Opo, mababa pa rin naman yung temperatura na na-record, pero yung base sa pinakamababa kasi usually January talaga eh.
Okay.
Alright, sige. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. That was Pag-asa weather forecaster Veronica Torres.
Daming na-excite kasi maglabas ng ugly Christmas sweater.
Malamig na pala.
Malamig na pala. Okay.